Level 4. Award in Food Process Safety Management. The Level 4 Award in Food Process Safety Management is the highest level qualification in food safety within the manufacturing pathway. It is designed for managers, senior supervisors, and professionals responsible for developing, implementing, and managing robust food safety systems. Learners will gain in-depth expertise in legislation, risk management, auditing, and the application of food safety management systems, preparing them for leadership roles in food manufacturing and processing industries. Who needs this qualification? Food manufacturing managers and senior supervisors, quality assurance and quality control managers, health and safety and compliance managers, food safety auditors and consultants. Anyone seeking to enhance their career in food safety. How long will it take? The qualification has a recommended duration of 5 days. Modules: Leadership in Food Safety Management, Advanced Food Safety Legislation and Global Standards, Microbiological, Physical, and Chemical Hazards Control, Designing and Implementing Food Safety Management Systems, Advanced HACCP Development and Validation, Supervising and Managing Food Safety Teams, Internal and External Food Safety Auditing Techniques, Advanced Temperature Control and Storage Protocols, Crisis Management and Food Safety Incident Response, Food Fraud, Traceability, and Supply Chain Safety, Advanced Waste Management and Pest Control Systems, Legal Liability, Enforcement, and Corporate Responsibility, Continuous Improvement and Food Safety Culture Development, Final Theory Exam, Case Studies, and Practical Project. Assessments. This qualification is evaluated using assessments. To receive this qualification, the learner must pass test with 70%. Why SAFQUAL? We are fast and reliable. Provides high-quality assessment materials and documentation free with registration. Offers competitive pricing and faster results and certification. Delivers reliable and responsive customer support. We are highly experienced and a one-stop shop. Courses are highly respected in the industry. Backed by expert team in course development and delivery. Expertise spans multiple levels of training and education. We are popular and trusted. Courses are delivered by approved centers internationally. Available through schools, employers, and private training providers. Trusted by a wide range of partners due to our fast certification and dedicated support.